Hi everyone, meteorologist Robert Spetta here with you today. It is currently the 25th of April 2014. We have a few things we are watching today out across much of the Western Pacific and Eastern Asia. For starters, while the tropics relatively quiet, if you are in the Philippines and across much of Thailand, it is actually fairly hot out there and expected to stay warm through the coming days, but back towards the east, while Guam, you're going to be seeing a little change in your weather situation. A weak low pressure area is currently moving off there towards northwest. At this time, JTWC currently has this as a low threat for tropical development. We have it on the screen right there, just towards the southeast of Guam. Now, I don't really expect this one to become a named storm system, but it is bringing that threat of some gusty winds and heavy rainfall through the coming days. And we can just start on here, going by Friday into Saturday. It's starting to move off there towards the northwest. We have a deep upper level trough off here towards the north. That's actually the beginning of the monsoonal rainy season in front. Well, that's really going to come down and hook this. So I think it's very unlikely that this does continue to track on a westerly progression heading over there towards the Philippines. I know if you're watching this from the Philippines, you're probably thinking, this is a little bit too close for comfort, and I don't blame you. Look at the satellite picture. I mean, it is over here towards the east, but I think that it is going to stay and move over Guam, then turn off there towards the north. So you're going to be seeing some rain showers and thunderstorms there in your forecast. But as we head through the weekend, that's going to continue to move off. It really gets picked up by that very rapidly developing front there, and then we start to see it churn off towards the northeast by, well, basically Monday and a Tuesday. And once it gets up here this far north and it starts to get into the northern portions of the Marianas, at least for this time of year, that seals its fate. It's just going to get carried off with the westerlies. The jet stream's right in this area. I mean, I'll go ahead and pull up the upper level winds right here for you, and you can see where the jet is, right there. I mean, this isn't going to track off on that westerly progression. But for those who are in Guam and Saipan, this definitely is going to bring some nasty weather into the early part of next week, basically starting on Sunday into Monday. Nothing too intense, nothing that should cause any significant damage, but it ain't going to be much of a beach day out here for a lot of you. And go ahead and actually pull up what the Guam National Weather Service is saying right now, and they're pretty quiet on the topic. No warnings in place at this time, and really that's something to kind of expect. So let's pull back the picture, see what else is going on. Basically, if you are in Japan, first of all, I do want to mention it is going to be some absolutely beautiful weather through the coming days actually out here. Let's go ahead and pull up the satellite picture. High pressure dominating much of today. The Shumatswa Totemo Hare. Atsui ne. Niju for the high temperatures, actually Niju go. And it is going to stay that way. Demo, we do have a new front that's going to be pushing out of northeastern China, and that's already bringing some nasty weather there. You can see right on this screen, sand. We have sandstorms, which have been plaguing much of this area. Go ahead and actually, I'll show you this images out of northeastern China here on Wednesday, and it's just nasty. Some areas down, reduced visibility down as low as about 10 meters or less, near zero visibility. Sandstorm warnings continue to be remaining in effect for much of northern China, southern Mongolia as well. I don't really have southern Mongolia on this map, and you're going to just continue to see that nasty weather throughout the day. What is the culprit? Well, we do have a frontal area that is racing across northeastern China here. And this is just going to continue to bring that sandstorm there for you, pushing out towards Beijing as well. Kyofu, Totemo Kyofu, with this, because it's going to be very windy. And I think that's going to be the problem. Like I said, it's going to be very sunny across Japan. It's hot, but as we go ahead into Monday and the Tuesday, there's going to be a big change in the forecast. Eastern China, you're going to be seeing the rain showers from this developing low pressure area, which is also supporting that dust off the northeastern China. But then by Sunday into Monday, this is by Monday early morning. Look at our low developing there in the Yellow Sea. This is going to play a major factor in any recovery efforts still ongoing across Jindo Island due to the ferry sinking here last week. Look at these winds. This is gusting up to about the gale force, 50 kilometers, 60 kilometers an hour. Even the southern Japanese islands, I wouldn't be surprised to see some thunderstorms here for you. And then eventually working its way off there towards the east, basically impacting much of Japan by Monday into Tuesday. So it's really not going to be a very pleasant forecast here in the next week. So do enjoy the weather this coming weekend. It's going to be pretty good. 今週末はとても晴れ. So yeah, that is all for right now, everybody. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, you can always post them down there in the comment box below. Still looking for more feedback on this map I've been using, this specific software from Meteor Earth. You can buy it actually on the App Store if you do a Mac, and you can go ahead and use this. It's pretty neat and very interesting. Also, we're continuing to watch everything else going on out there today, and of course, the local forecasts you can find on our website. We actually only showed Guam there, but also Manila, you've been seeing some slightly cooler temperatures due to some cloud cover, which is lingering there overhead. Back off towards the north, like I said, beautiful weather in and across Japan, highs into the 20s. But by Tuesday, it's going to cool off and see some rain showers. All right, stay safe out there, everybody, and thanks for watching.